Hello everyone and welcome back. One indicator I use quite often is the VWAP, okay? And in today's video, I'll be explaining it like you're a little kid and how I use it to my advantage as one of my main indicators when I trade. And for reference, the VWAP right now is right here. If you've ever opened a chart and wondered what that line running through the middle is, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know, and you'll know why exactly so many traders are using it. But let's keep it super simple, okay? VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. I know that sounds complicated, but let's just forget the fancy words for a second. Imagine there's a giant toy store. Throughout the day, thousands of people come and buy toys. Some toys sell for 10 bucks, some for 20 bucks, and some for 30 bucks. Now imagine I ask you one question. At what price did most people buy toys today? That's basically what the VWAP tells us. It looks at every trade that happened during the day, but it gives more importance to the prices where the most buying and selling happened. Okay, now think of VWAP as the market's fair price for today. Now here's why traders care about it. If the price is trading above the VWAP, as we can see right here, buyers are generally stronger. They're willing to pay more than the average price. If the price is trading below the VWAP, sellers are generally stronger. They're willing to sell below the average price. That's why you'll often hear traders say, we're above VWAP or we're below VWAP. And in my videos, you often hear me say, the market is trading above VWAP today or the market is trading below the VWAP today. It gives you a quick idea who's in control of the market in that moment. Okay. So many people are watching the same level, the market often reacts around it. Sometimes price will bounce off the VWAP like a basketball hitting the floor, and other times it'll reject and move away from the VWAP. That doesn't mean the VWAP predicts the future. It simply gives you an area where buyers and sellers become more active. Now, me personally, I don't blindly buy every time price touches a VWAP. I wait for confirmation with my other indicators, which I'll talk about in different videos, like the volume, the EMAs, the Bollinger Bands, and the 9 EMAs. For me, if the overall trend is bullish and the price if the overall trend is bullish and the price happens to pull back to the VWAP, then I watch to see if buyers step back in. If they do, that can be a good opportunity for a trade with a good stop loss. The opposite is true in a downtrend. If price rallies back up to the VWAP and sellers start taking control again, this may present as an opportunity to short. When I play VWAP pullbacks, this is what I look for. But it's not magic, right? This indicator doesn't win 100% of the time, nor does any other indicator out there. There's no magic indicator that tells you when to buy and sell. So the biggest takeaway from today's video is simply this. The VWAP is simply the market's fair price for the day. Above it usually means buyers are stronger, and below it, it usually means sellers are stronger. And because so many traders watch it, it often becomes an important area where the market reacts. Now, in simpler terms, I hope this was a good explanation about what the VWAP is. And in my real life trading sessions, I'll try to explain it in the moment of what I'm doing. And if you think this video helps you understand the VWAP just a little bit, even 1% more, I would love if you guys subscribe to the channel or like the video or commented and explain to me what you would like to see next in my YouTube videos and what else you'd like me to explain. Again, thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys again. Take care.